guys, I am Tamira Panem and welcome back to my channel. So for today's vlog is we're going to surprise my mom on her birthday. So let's see kung paano namin maaayos yung surprise na yun without her knowing what it is. So tingnan na lang natin. This is the birthday celebrant. Say hi to the camera. Lakad ka na.
Lakad nga, damdama.
Oo, sige! Alisin nyo na, mama. I love you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Ay, to you. Hello? Galing ka lang! Ganda pala! Galing ka! Thank you!
May message sa inyo. At syempre sa atin na rin, alam mo naman si Drama Queen. Kaya
May message siya.
hi auntie, my warmest greetings for my best auntie in the world. This is a very special birthday message for you, Auntie Eden. First of all, I would like to say thank you.
Pagkatawag.
Naiyak ka lang. Wait lang. I would like to say thank you for our Lord for giving me the best auntie like you. And you deserve all the best in life. I'm so blessed, thankful, and grateful because you are my auntie. Auntie, we thank you. Thank you.
Tayo habang tayo nabubuhay sa ibang lugar ng mundo at saka marami pa sana muling na darating at malakas pa tayo habang buhay.
Walang sawang suporta sa amin lahat, lalo na sa akin hanggang ngayon. Maraming salamat po. I miss you so much, Auntie. Miss ko na yung dalawa tayo nag-grocery. Aakyat, tas bababa, binibili niyo yung favorite kong rambutan. Bibili tayo ng munggo na tag-iisa tayo nila Tam. Tapos pag nagbo-boring tayo sa bahay, punta tayo sa Barnham, ikot-ikot, kakain tayo. So eto na yun, Auntie, yung matutulog na tayo ng nag-uunahan tayo matulog kasi naman Auntie, ang lakas hininga. Oo, hilig ko ba? Okay, Auntie. Tapos kapag nag-uusap na nakataon, minsan nakakain ang tayo, tapos maunang ko. Tapos bigla nyo ako gigisingin kasi wala kayo makausap dahil hindi kayo makatulog kasi lakas ng paghinga ko. Yung gusto sinasabi nyo sa akin, gusto agad sika talaga, Nalin. We love you so much. God bless. I hope we will bond soon. Take care always, Auntie, and me, Sister Tamir. Keep safe for the both of you. Once again, happy 57th birthday to you, my best Auntie. May God continue to bless you. I am so blessed to have like you, Auntie. And dear, once again, happy 57th birthday.
Thank you. God bless us. Hello, umiyak si Auntie. Thank you. God bless us all. Happy birthday, Ate Eden. Maraming salamat sa mga tulong mo sa amin. Happy birthday. God bless. Long life at saka
Yeah, happy birthday po, Auntie. Mahal po namin kayo. Salamat po sa lahat at sana po good health lang po. Every time.
Happy birthday po, Auntie. Thank you po sa lahat. Mahal na mahal pa namin kayo. Good health po.
Oh, hindi namin narinig.
Kainan na!
Kain na na!
Kainan na!
Photos kayo na tinandits ko siya. Ay, anong gagawin ko sa pamiling cake? May cake na, di ba?
Oh, sige. Yan.
Pag yan nahulog ah.
Ito palit. Yapo. Go.
Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Salamat sa inyong lahat.
So, that's it for this vlog. I hope you share, like, and subscribe to my channel. And thank you for the sponsors of my mom's birthday. So, kainan na.